Hello guys, welcome to the 17th day of Christmas DIYs, and today, believe it or not, we are making a furry envelope. Fake fur, of course, don't worry. This is like a blanket material, you know, and it's cream. You can buy this kind of stuff in textile shops, but I had it and I wanted to use it, and then I saw a great idea on Pinterest for furry envelopes. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. It's super simple. We'll make it super fast. You will need just to cut out like this for an envelope. You will need the glue to glue the envelope. We'll be using this super, as always, Loctite gel glue. You will need some beads that you want to bedazzle. It's your personal choice how you're gonna make your envelope look nicer. And I will be using these acrylic hearts. And you will need a button. This is a decorative button to close your envelope. And you will need a little string to make the button close. We'll be using this string. You will need needle and a thread. And you will need needle and a thread. So yeah, let's start, guys. What you need to do is to fold your envelope. So this will be the bottom part of the envelope. It goes like this. This will be your part where you can put your stuff, and you leave enough space to make the top. So this is how it will look like. It's like super simple. You just need to fold it in the right way. So this part you don't glue, of course. You glue only these two sides. We will start by gluing the sides. Little patch that it's without a fur for some reason, I don't know why, so I will just put a heart there to cover it, and the other one will go down here. I like how that looks, so just glue those two hearts, thread into the needle, and use some thicker needle. Like, don't use these like too thin ones, because the fur is quite thick, so you take a little bit bigger needle this time. Yeah, I always put my needles in this so I don't get stabbed. I get hurt a lot when I make jewelry, so any measure of precaution is good. I don't know really how many times in life I've bled while making DIYs, so yeah, just put the thread through needle while this is drying. You will not need a lot. You just need to put a button on the fur. But yeah, I will take this one. This thread is like really nice because it's so shiny. It's like sedef. It's not fully white. It's like sedef, very shiny. It's beautiful. So while that is drying, you need to like close your envelope. Make a knot at the end of the thread. The first thing that you're gonna do is to see where you need to put your button. So your envelope will be closing like this. Take care that your heart doesn't go over the edge, so it's like on here until here, and your envelope goes until here, so your button needs to be here. You can measure it if you want. I will just do it as I see. So your button really needs to be here. And you start from the inside. I'm gonna speed this one up. Just put the button on the envelope. When you finish, just tie a knot at the back. And that's it. You just cut. And that's it for the button. It looks really cute. Now we need to like make the thread. Make a knot again. You need like a small one to go like this. So you need this. But we don't want that to be that long. And yeah, you just measure how much you need. Maybe like this. Cut it. And as you can see, one side I already burned. When you burn this material, it stays black, unfortunately. We need to burn the other side, not to shred. And don't worry about the blackness because you won't see that part. It will be under here, okay? So let's burn it. And now we need to sew it like this. Like this. First, I will sew it one side to another one. Put your needle through it. Put the needle through the other one, the middle one. And just make them together. It will be easier for you to sew them. Then go through both of them. And start sewing it. See, it's very furry. Try not to put the needle all through it, but through just this first part of the material, because then you can see it. See? That's why it's important to use like very thick materials for these envelopes, okay? And just sew it many times until it becomes very sturdy. So through these two, and then through the first layer of the envelope material, and few times like that. I don't think you need too many times. And at the end of the last one, just make a knot. So these are the hearts. They look awesome. They look really nice with this color. And this is the front side. This is the little button. Top goes until the button. I love that. It's like nicely closed. And you just undo the button. And this is how it looks inside. Like this. It's really cute envelope. So it's a good idea also for Christmas gift or for DIY with your kids or just for packaging maybe some gift. It looks like a little bag, you know. So yeah, I hope you like this DIY. I will insert photos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for 18th day of Christmas DIYs. All my links, social networks where you can follow me, contact me will be in the description down below, as well as my Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching one more time. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. Bye guys!